Hello and welcome to Tivoli's video series, Tivoli Highlights. My name is Pete Morales and we are highlighting our most popular products we offer. Today we are highlighting our Trace series. Trace series is our 24-volt linear LED lighting system, which is IP67 rated. So whether interior or exterior, this luminaire series is built for your application. The newest thing we are doing this year is we have went from a mechanical end cap connection, mechanical power feed connection, to a new molded power feed connection and molded end cap connection. We are achieving this with new machinery we have here in our factory in Irvine, California. So we cut to your linear length and we now do a molded power feed connection or a molded end cap connection. You have three options for your molded connections. Option number one, you have a side entry into your Trace series. Option number two, you have a front entry into your Trace series. Option number three, you have a bottom entry into your Trace series. Now, what this allows you to do is you have your aluminum extrusion. Here we have our vertical bending notch aluminum extrusion. And so now with this molded end cap connection, virtually all the linear length can now insert into the aluminum extrusion. Our Trace series is available in static white, static colors, RGB, RGBW, we have ambers, and we also have pixel LED. Thank you for your time, and thank you for looking at our Trace series.